In a universe not bound by time or space, where consciousness weaves the very fabric of reality, there are infinite versions of you, each one living a parallel existence. The term quantum jumping might sound like science fiction, but it is rooted in a blend of quantum physics, neuroscience, Eastern mysticism, and modern psychology. It's not just belief, it's being. Physicist Hugh Everett's many worlds interpretation suggests that every decision creates a branching timeline, a new reality. Similarly, Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and author of Becoming Supernatural, teaches, to change your personal reality, you must change your personality. And that begins by shifting your frequency. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions are all vibrational keys. So, what is quantum jumping? It's the conscious alignment with a timeline, where you already are who you desire to become. This mirrors the Vedantic concept of non-duality, that everything already exists within you. An awakening is simply remembering. Step 1. Awareness. Become aware of your default settings. What is the story you repeatedly tell yourself? Who told you that was the truth? As Carl Jung said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Quantum jumping starts when you interrupt your internal autopilot. Step 2. Identity shift. Ask yourself, who is the version of me living the life I want? What does she believe? How does he respond to fear? What daily rituals do they follow? This is echoed in Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You're not faking it. You're activating it. From the inside out. Embodiment practices include visualization with elevated emotion, nervous system regulation, affirmations rooted in neuroscience. The quantum field, what physicist Max Planck called the matrix of all matter, responds not to your desires, but to your state of being. Step 3. Stabilization. Energetic elevation is powerful, but stability is transformation. Practice breathwork, nature immersion, and dopamine detoxing. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds us, a person in equilibrium sees the same self in all beings. Regulate your internal world so your external world reflects your next level self. And when doubt whispers, know this, that is the pull of your past identity. You don't need to fight it. You simply need to choose again. As Einstein said, you cannot solve a problem with the same consciousness that created it. Quantum jumping is the act of choosing a new state of being, again and again, until it becomes your baseline. You're not becoming someone else. You're returning to a version of yourself that always existed, in the quantum field, in the mind of God. Or as Rumi beautifully wrote, you were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? So today, ask yourself, which version of you are you aligning with? Which timeline are you choosing? Because your next level isn't in the future, it's in your frequency. All you have to do is jump.